Here is how to watch Netflix and Disney Plus for 100% free. All you need to do is to download this app called Watch. This app is not on the Play Store, but don't worry, I will leave a link to that in the description. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description, and you'll be able to download this app. Once you already download the app, all you need to do is to launch the app. So once you launch the app, all you need to do next is to click on this, enter URL, then you type asu.to. And after that, you click on browse. You can see right here trending TV channels. As you can see right here, we have trending TV channels, we have trending series. As you can see right here, it's our trending series right here, and you can watch for absolutely free. We have popular series also, you can watch all those for free. And we have movies you can watch for absolutely free. So once you've seen the one that you want to watch, the one you're interested in, so all you need to do is to click on it. So once you click on the movie, all you need to do is to tap on any of these servers, then you watch the movie for absolutely free without paying time. So guys, that's how you can watch Netflix and Disney Plus for absolutely free. Don't forget to leave a like to this video so that others will be able to see this video, and also hit the red subscribe button if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next